Okay, here we go. Alright, point slope form, day 4, notes. Point slope form is a formula used to write an equation of a line when given a point. And remember, points are in the form of x comma y. And the slope of a line. So here we have point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. Slope goes right here. Notice the slope is in front of the parentheses and it's after the equal sign. Okay, so x sub 1 goes right here. Okay, so if I have a point, I'm going to put the x value right here inside the parentheses. The x's are in the parentheses. And then I'm going to put the y right there. So y minus the y value. Alright, so let's look at this first one here. We have a slope and a point. Okay, look at the first one here. We have a slope and a point. It says write the equation of the line that has a slope of 4 and passes through the point negative 6 comma 9. So the slope is just going to be 4, and then the point we're going to use is negative 6 comma 9. Alright, so I have the blank set up for our point slope form. So notice this is x sub 1, this is y sub 1. So y sub 1 is going to go here, x sub 1 is going to go there, and then our slope is 4, it will go here. Notice I have a broken plus sign, so I'm going to change this to y minus 9 is equal to 4x plus 6. Okay, next one. So let's look down at the one with the graph. Alright, so here we have a graph. It says write the equation in point slope form of the line graphed. Pick any point. So first we need to get the slope. So the slope, we got to pick 2 points on this line. Now one of them we're going to pick is 0 comma 4, okay, because it's a whole number point. So we're going to build us a table, so that'll be 0, 4. And then the other one I'm going to pick is negative 4, 4, this one right here. You can pick any 2 points you want, just as long as they're a whole number of points. So this will be negative 4, negative 4. Okay. Alright, so now I need to get the slope for this table. So I'm going to use my Desmos, and here's how I do it. I plug it into my Desmos, and then do the regression command right here, y sub 1, okay, and then so my slope is going to be 2. So my slope will be 2. And now we need a point. So we can pick any point on this line, okay? So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to pick 0, 4. Again, you can pick any point you want, but we're just going to pick 0 comma 4. Okay? And so now we're going to plug the slope and the point into our point slope form. Okay? So y sub 1, that's going to be 4. 4 goes here. Okay? So this 4 goes there, and then x sub 1 is 0, it'll go there, and then our slope will be 2. Okay, now this one here where it says 2 points, okay, you need to do this one by yourself. Alright, I just showed you on this one how to get the slope from 2 points. So get the slope and then plug it in here. And then also you need to write the equation here from the table. Alright, so again, pick 2 points from your table to get the slope, and then use one of those points as your point and create your equation here. Obviously, let me check this one once you finish it, and let me check this one. Okay, so now let's do the real world situation one together, and then I'll let you start working on your own. So it says here, Marty is spending money at an average rate of $3 per day. So this $3 per day, that is going to tell us what our slope is. So right here we just put 3. It says after 14 days he has $68 left. The amount of money left over depends on the number of days that have passed. Okay? So this point, the number of days or the amount of money left over depends on the number of days. So that tells us this $68 is our y. So the point we're going to use is 14, 68. If you don't understand how I got that, make sure you ask Mr. Adams. That's me, your teacher. Alright, so now we just plug this in. So slope is going to go here. And then this is going to be x sub 1. This is going to be y sub 1. So we're just going to go 68. And we're going to go 14. Alright. Also, now once you complete these two, make sure you flip it over and you're going to complete the practice on the back. Thank you.